Hi YouTube, this is Tara and welcome back to my channel. So I'm trying to figure out a way. I guess I'm gonna do it the same way I did it last time, so I can just give y'all like a little up close and personal. Uh-oh, that ain't working. So I'm gonna tell y'all about the meeting I had this morning with my supervisor and the coordinator. So I know y'all can't see me right now, but y'all gonna be able to see the products. Okay? It's me. Hey y'all, hey. So here's the thing. So you know I go on my lunch break right now, and then I go on my 15-minute break at 9 and 2:15. Okay. I go on the break and just handle some personal business, like phone calls. Okay. I'm so mad, y'all, because I left my glue. I think I left my glue in my purse. Why is it in my purse and not in this bag? I don't know. Oh, God. Let me see. So this is Kiara Sky Flex Gel. This the Flex Gel. This the Chrome Polish. Okay. And this is the No White Top Coat. This is my first time ordering Kiara Sky products. And so I also bought this brush, and they had a big sale not too long ago. The only thing is, like with Shop Pay, if you're using Shop Pay, y'all, I hate it when I can't get stuff open. And it's not because of my nails. It's the way they package stuff nowadays. And I don't blame them, because too many of us talking about, oh, it came damaged and all this. And it wasn't in there. I didn't get it. So this brush right here is nice, pretty, pink. Okay, and it got the little things on the inside, rose gold. And so this is rubber, and this is rubber. Okay, and this is for the chrome polish. I gotta tear stuff up nowadays in order to get the thing open. Now I bought some chrome polish from Temu. I never did get it open. Okay. So, me personally, I would use that in the cap. So what I would do is I would touch it like so, and I think it will only take a little bit. Let's tap some off. I shouldn't let y'all saw that. So we're gonna take this nail that's messed up, and then we just gonna see, and you just kind of rub it on like that. I didn't do a very good job, because this is my first time. I'm just playing around with it. But I would think it would have did better than that. It sprayed it more on the brush than it did on the nail. So now that I'm kind of doing it like this, I can see more of it. I don't know if you can. Okay, So it looks more chrome on here. It looks more chrome on here than it do on my fingers. But we're gonna play around with it. Okay. Okay. Okay, then here we have a flex gel. So one side may be for the gel, for the chrome, and the other side may be for the flex gel. It's clear, transparent, clear. It says, I got to do my glasses like this, y'all. Multi-purpose gel, which can be used for molding 3D, gel art, or as an alternate builder to adhere to jelly tips. Okay, so you can use this. Let's say if you want to put a star on your nails or a heart. Okay, these are just some manicure scissors. Let's say you want to do a star or a heart, right? I gotta do it like this, pull it up so that, ooh, oh my goodness, so it doesn't fall down in the product, which is already seeming like this is like filled to the brim, to the top. Oh my goodness. You see me trying to get it open, and it looks like this is full of product. Let's see now, can I pull it? I ain't gonna pull it all the way off. Yep. It's, look, that's the actual product. Y'all see it? It's all the way to the top. So you can create your heart, you can create your star, you can create flowers or anything with this. So what I'm going to do is, since I got it open, I'm going to cut this part off. And I'm going to just leave this part, but it's hard. So technically, I believe, so this is my nail. I know y'all can't really see it because my phone don't focus. I can't wait until I get myself settled where I can probably do videos at home in my personal space. Now my apartment where I live, because I be at my daughter's house a lot. Now my apartment where I live, I have a lot of water bugs. Them big old black bugs, y'all. And they fly. Some of them fly, right? Oh, I forgot. Let me stick it up here because that's a little better. Okay, so I already showed you the chrome. It's like a berry color. And then I just showed you the flex gel. So you can use it as a nail builder. Okay? Which I'll probably do that to this one. Or you can use it to design. I mean, it's it's hard already. So I'm happy I got this. Cause this kit was on sale too. But you know, with shop pay and after pay and all that, you spend up to 50. And then I showed y'all this no wipe off gel polish top coat. Okay. I don't see, it's broke. It broke. Cause remember yesterday, both of these was like the same length. Look at that one. And you can see where it broke right there. It split straight down right there. And then if I turn my finger around, it split, and it split all the way down here in half, like across. It's about this much hanging on still. And see, when I come close, y'all can kind of see it a little bit. And I'm at work, so I don't want to fool with it too much, because I still want to be able to work. See, and this is clear. And this says apply, rub on top coat from cuticle to free edge and cure for 30 seconds. Rub on your favorite special effect powder. Apply a second layer of rub on top coat and cure for 60 seconds. Okay? Create a strong high gloss surface for a smooth special effect powder application. So I can use this as a base coat and a top coat. Okay, so we're gonna put these. So I go and I talk to my supervisor and my coordinator, right? Supervisor and my coordinator, and child, she talking about if I come back late from my break, they gonna give me it's gonna be a attendance issue. They gonna give me an occurrence because it's time I say it's gonna be a tardy. I'm like, what? Because you coming back late from your break. So these are the nails. Okay, and they are the off-white. Okay, look how many in here. And it is, they are the square tips. It's 500 pieces, 10 sizes, because you got 10 fingers. Okay, so the next time they have a sale on nails, I'm gonna get the clear ones. These are the extra long square, and I don't need extra long. Okay, so let's take one of these, which is like the largest one. Do they have a size? What size is it? So this is size 4, I believe. Because it says 0. See if it's a 0. 0. 1, 2, 3. What's these numbers? 4. Is this 5, 6, 7, 8? Just go up to 9. Anyway, this is the largest one that they have, okay? In this hand. Now I'm gonna put it in the palm of my hands. Now I'm gonna grab the next one to it and put that in my fingers. So then I'm gonna take the one in my fingers and put it in this other, in between these fingers, and the one that was in my palm, put it here. And they're pretty much the same size. See? They are straight. They don't bend or curve over. And that curve is what a lot of people like. But this is straight. And then we're going to take it and you're going to place it. You're going to glue it on your thumb. Like so. It's just an example of how it goes. Okay? It's a perfect fit. You're going to glue it on your thumb like so. Okay? Now, dog, I already put it in the box. We can take this Flex gel and we can put it directly up under here. Right? Stick it on. And cure it in the lamp. And it'll stay. It's not gonna move, supposedly. So that's how you do that. Okay. And then the next set, yeah. So what they did was they put 10 sizes in here for 10 nails, for 10 fingers, and they put the same amounts of nails. So if they gave you 20 for this finger, okay, they gave you a second section with 20 in it. So I'm assuming it's 50 each. So